concerti che avrei voluto ascoltare, non li ho mai ascoltati, ma li ho ascoltati per CD, è quello di Concert in Central Park,
giusto.
Cari gli amici miei,
giusto,
di Simon e Garfunkel.
ci proiettiamo. Allora, un secondo solo, dobbiamo salutare qualcuno, sennò poi alla fine della puntata non c'è.
Insomma, sono tanti amici che ci seguono del centro commerciale. Posso fare il nome?
Il Gran Giussano, dai. Non
il Gran Giussano, sì, vicino dove vado io a fare la spesa praticamente. Allora saluto Michele, saluto Antonella e Mafalda, saluto Agnese e tutta la compagnia, il marito, saluto tutti, insomma, coloro che ci seguono. Un bacione.
Va bene.
Dal film Il Laureato 1967, capolavoro di Mike Nichols con il grande Dustin Hoffman. Questa è la colonna sonora scritta da Simon e Garfunkel, The Sound of Silence.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping, let it see what I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone through narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the shadow of a hospital lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, where my eyes were stopped by the flash of a neon light, the speed of night, and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared to stop the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you, take my arms that I might reach you, by my words like silent raindrops fell, and echoed in the words of silence. And the people bow and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was for me. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement poles, and whisper in the sounds of silence.